Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this WORKPRO Rechargeable Magnetic LED Underhood work light. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. So this shows some other products. Here we have the manual. Now I may not cover everything in here. You'll want to read through it on your own. This shows the different parts. So we have the LED light strip, on-off switch button, rubber protect cover, input charging port, charging indicator, magnet, non-slip hook, elastic strap, and USB-A Type-C charging cable. Here we have the specs. Brightness is 800 lumens. Battery is two 3.7 volt, 2200 milliamp hour 18650 cells. Working time is 3.5 to 13 hours. Charging time is 2.5 to 3.5 hours. And here we have the run times. So it has a high, medium, and low mode. And we can see the high mode is 3.5 hours, low is 13 hours. So this has an elastic strap and a magnet. So there's two ways to attach it. Charges with USB. To operate, you press the power button to cycle through the three modes for high, medium, and low. So let's pull this out. So it has plastic hooks. It has rubber here, so that can fit around your hood. It has an elastic strap. Then the batteries would probably be in each of these. Looks like there's a button on each one. There's also a charge port on each one, so you can have faster charging. So let's try charging this. Okay, so that's charging at 1.25 amps. Here I have another USB cable. I'll plug in here, and I'll plug in the other side. And it's charging at 0.58 on one and 0.87 on the other. So it's charging a little bit faster when we plug both these in. But we can just charge with one. So we can see the magnets here, and then this is silicone with the LEDs in it. You can see the little chips. Pull this out. Let's try turning this on. So we can press the button to turn it on. Press it again for the medium mode, and again for low. Final time for off. So it's very easy to use. Now to adjust the strap, we can just hold onto the plastic here and pull on the hook side, and we can pull that through. So you can make that longer or shorter. And you can do that on both sides. So you can adjust this to the width of your hood. Now I have an aluminum hood, so I can't magnet to my hood. But it's nice it has these hooks, so you can do either technique. So I'm going to plug this back in, we'll get this charged up, and then we'll go test it out on my car. Okay, so here I'm out at my 2016 Subaru Outback. I have the work light installed, so I can turn it on. The nice thing is this has a button on both sides, so if you're working from either side of the car, you can turn it on. And we turn it on, it's on high. So this is very bright, so if I was doing some work on top of the engine, this gives me really bright light to work from. Let's turn it down. So that's on medium, still a lot of light there. And then we have it on low. So if I was working on something very detail oriented, I'd probably keep it on high. Like if I had a valve cover gasket that needed precise placement on top of an engine, high would be nice. But if I was just replacing an alternator like on this car, I'd probably could do that on low. So let's turn that back on high. Now a light like this can be useful even if you're using other lights. So this can give you general light to work on the car, and then you could use smaller lights if you need to inspect further down into the engine. But oftentimes when I work, I might have tools up on top of my engine bay, so I'll need to see those, and I just need a general view of the work area. Now you could even use this under the car. If you're working on exhaust, you could just lay this on the ground. On a truck, you could potentially attach this to a frame rail to give you lots of light underneath the vehicle. So that's the WORKPRO Underhood Rechargeable Work Light. I found this light very easy to use. You just press the button to turn it on, and you press the button again to switch the modes. I really like that it has a button on either side, so it gives you easy access to change it. There's multiple ways to mount this. I'm using the elastic straps hooked onto the sides of my hood, but you can also use the magnets. And this has a very bright light. So a light like this can light up your whole engine bay. If you're in a garage that has really good overhead lighting, a lot of that light can get shaded by the hood. Using a light like this can allow you to light up the engine under the hood. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.